Hello, welcome to another video here. It is Genius Pro Online School and this is Tutor PVS. Let us dive into this flowchart type of question that comes in mathematics paper 2. Start the flowchart below. This is a flowchart. Start, enter error, is error less than 0 and so forth. No, whatever. You can see. The question that we have to do is that we have to write a pseudocode. But what is a pseudocode? A pseudocode is like a command of series that correspond to the flowchart. That's why when they're asking you in the exam, they say write a pseudocode that corresponds to the flowchart. So whatever is here, you are just transforming it into a command, but into a sentence like that. So you are going to see how we do that. So we always say with the start. So you write start. I'll write from here. You say start. So the same way I've said enter. So you go a little bit inside. You enter a little bit inside. So you write enter. This R is radius. Enter radius. After enter radius, there is this part here. Okay. Enter radius, which is just R. What does this cardamom tell you? This is a decision box. This is why we make a decision. That's why you can say yes or no. So here you make a decision. It's like where do you go? Could you go now? No. You choose based on what you've entered. So here we are going to say, all right, since it's like this, we are going to say if, since they have said is R less than 0. So if radius, all right, is less than what? 0. If it's true, which is yes, what are they telling us? Display error message. Are we there? Ka? So you say display. So you say display this box, which is slanting like this. It means display. So you say, you write the word display there. So display error. Error. Not error message. There's no message here. Just say display error. Then you say error must be positive. All right. Then you do like that. Error must be positive. You close. There's an arrow going back here. What does that arrow tell you? It means go back and enter what? A positive one. So you say and re-enter positive radius. It's a if R is less than 0, it means we are talking about negative numbers, -1, -2, and so forth. So we don't want negative numbers. So you write like this, good. If there's no arrow going up, just end where we closed there to my inverted commas. Next, if you don't go this way, that means you are going to go the other way. Now, this other way, we call it else. We call it what? Else. So you write the same here, the same way enter is, you write else. Else like that. Are we there? So when you write else what? Else this. A rectangle is used for processing. It's for processing. It means you are processing something. What are you processing in this case? The formula to give us the area. All right. Else, we write area is equal to half. Here there is a. But here write correct area. Like I said, you are from symbols to words. Area is equal to what? Now, a star is only used in any time you are drawing a flowchart. But any time you are drawing, you are writing a pseudocode, you can interchange them. You can keep them the way they are, or you can just write the correct formula itself, which is r and r, which is r squared. Then you have sine theta. It's fine to write like this in a pseudocode, but as you are moving to a flowchart, you don't write this. The computer cannot understand r squared. It can only understand r star r. Same thing with division. A computer can't understand this. It can only understand this /a. So when you are here, you write when. But for this one, you can write in a pseudocode. This one for flowchart. This one for pseudocode. Oh, is it clear? You can also write like this in a pseudocode. It's fine. All right. So it's up to you what you write. But for the flowchart, maintain this and the star for multiplication. Are we clear? Then after you process the formula, there is this. So before you even say display, you write what we call end if in the same position where if is. So you write end if. End if. How are we ending? We are ending by displaying the area in the same line where else is. Display area. Then after display area, we stop. In the same line where start is, you stop. Now, if there is end here, instead of stop, let's say they wrote end. Even here, write end. If here they wrote begin instead of start, write begin there. Don't change anything. Are we together, right? And you are done. Is this what you've been struggling with? Imagine if you started lessons with us, you can still revise. Very possible. See ya.